Crude oil WTI failed to go past the previous week's high at 82.6 and has traded with a slight drop close below 80 levels. Now, if you recall last week, we told that the bullishness has diminished here and possibly you have to wait for it to break past this zone at 82.6 levels, and then beyond that, only little bullishness can be seen. Now, what to expect next week? Is it going to break out again on the upside, or we can see a drop from here? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. And towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated for the twice a day analysis and targets which I share for crude oil. Once with the Asia session, next with the US session. So do watch that also. Let's start. Now look at the weekly chart. Certainly this zone is giving it a tough resistance, that is 82.5, 83 levels, and because beyond which it is going to be considered for a reversal and it is going to be considered for a good rise where it can achieve higher highs, and in fact 88, 90 levels can also be seen. So this zone is giving it a very good resistance, and hence it has to break past this in order to sustain the bullish momentum. Now look at the weekly charts more closely. You will find higher lows are seen and a flat top is seen, which means it is still trying to consolidate a bit. So next week, once you see it trading below 79, which is a very good support, and then 78, only if it breaks below 78, you can consider this as bearish. Else, what we had seen so far is forming the base here at 70, then at 74, it is giving you increasingly bullish momentum. Now, if you see it, oil, for last few weeks, it is trading in this zone. 75 is the support now, and this is a consolidation zone. It has to break out either which ways in order to give a direction. So any break above 83, any drop below 75, that will be an indication for next few weeks for crude oil that it is trying to take a shape, it is trying to take a direction. Now this is just on the weekly charts. Also, as I told you, beyond 83, 84, it is directly going to land at 90 and 92 levels. Also, if you look at, see, it was trading in this bearish channel, then this consolidation, so possibility of a breakout on the upside exists here very strong. Secondly, now see this, lower highs, lower lows. The highs of this channel is now situated at around 88, 87 levels. So if it breaks out, this zone is certainly going to remain a good resistance, and if it trades above 90, that should be called as a bullish reversal, specifically beyond 92.5 levels, which was the strong resistance zone. So if it breaks past this, that should be considered a reversal zone for oil, where you can expect 100, 110 levels in next few weeks. But for next week specifically, you should wait for it to break out beyond 83 levels, where the bullishness can be confirmed, and also you can sell at 79. So selling at 79 will give you profits till 78.4, 78. 78 is a very good support, and if it breaks below 78, it will call for the bears. Then 77.2, 76.5, 75 levels can also be expected. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see, look at the daily charts here. This is the inflection points. Higher highs are seen. Higher highs are consistently seen for the last 3 days. Yes, it has shown a reversal, but it has given a good sharp swing on the last trading session, where we had seen higher lows and higher highs and lower lows. So if you consider this as a swing here, so looking at this swing, you can find out 81 levels is the pivot, above which only you can consider that it is going to look on the upside again, and then possibly it may achieve the highs which it has seen, 82.6, breaking beyond which only we can consider that for a good bullish indication. Now on the daily charts, another observation is higher lows are seen, and you can see this time it has given you flat top. However, it was trading with higher highs and in this bullish channel despite a breakout on the downside. Also, I told you in the daily charts that, see, if you look at oil's movement, rise, highs, retracement, consolidation, then this rise. So we had expected this, however, it failed to. Yes, it is still failing to break past on the upside. Once it does, you can consider that for a reversal. Right now, it is still very much in the consolidation zone. You can sell at 79 next week, expect 78.4, 78 as the maximum support, below which you can expect little more bearishness. So see, this is trying to give a inflection point for silver, because if it draws from here, that could bring little more bearish. till 75 levels. Now let's have a look at the monthly. Now see on the monthly charts, higher lows, lower highs. This is a consolidation. Just I will wait for it. Wait for the closer. If any closer, if you see a closer above 80.5 or 81 levels, somewhere here, if you see it closing for the month, you can consider that next month probably we can see a bullish breakout. So any closer at around 80.5 or 81 levels or in green, you can expect that we may see a breakout the next month, and probably it can continue to trade bullish. So this is the expectation for next 2 days. I will be definitely remain watchful. These two sessions are going to remain important. A closer above 81 or 80.5 levels should be considered a good indication. Now if you look at uh, the closer here at 79 or 78 will also give it a little room for it to continue to trade bearish on the next month, also achieve lower lows. So hence I'll be definitely remain watchful. Yes, $70 levels is a very good support which is there is achieved, and possibly from here we should see a little reversal and retracement on the upside. Now if you look at the monthly charts also, oil has been trading in this bullish and expanding triangle since $60 levels. Since then we have seen only increasingly higher lows and higher highs, and hence now we have to be watchful of 74 levels for the month of February also. Next month will decide if it gives a breakout. That should be a bearish indication. Any breakout below 70 is a bearish indication for oil, where it can drop more in the coming few weeks. Now this is the charts. Let's have a look at the indicators. Indicators on the daily chart, the 20 and 50 period moving average have crossed over. These are trading with divergence. This is a bullish sign here, but 100 period moving average giving it a very good resistance at 82. It has to sustain above these levels or close above these levels in order to trade bullish, and also the 20 and 100 period moving average need to cross over for the bullish momentum. Now see 79.5, 79 is a very good support, then 78, 77.5 like the next strongest support zone, breaking below which you can expect little bearishness. Directional movement moderately bullish trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a sharper drop there. The MACD is trying to converge crossover again for a sell. The RSI is looking downwards, showing a little weakness there. And if you look at the weekly, on the weekly chart, the moving average crossover has been seen last week, and it is also giving it a very strong resistance at 82.5 levels, and hence it has to sustain these levels in order to confirm for a reversal. Right now it is very well near to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and it is trying to consolidate a bit. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has come to overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence. RSI trying to look downwards here and showing a little weakness. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, see, yes, it is trading with divergence, indicating little bullishness there. The directional movement is trying to converge here. This is in green. It is waiting for a crossover on the sell side. The stochastic, which was trading overbought consistently, has seen a sharp dip couple of months back and now trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is still trading bearish. It is still trading with divergence, and it has a scope for it to continue trading bearish for a little while. But possibly you have to be watchful. It can converge a little, crossover, and then again continue with the bearish. But yes, oil on the monthly charts has a stronger scope for it to continue with the downward move in the coming few months also. RSI has seen a good drop, good sharp drop here, and it has come to comfortable levels. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the levels and strategy for you to profit next week. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, equip yourself with the right tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify potential good trades and help you identify the bad ones also, and entry and exit points also. So do join this mentorship batch. The 19th batch is going to start on 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do not miss this opportunity. Now let's have a look at the trading levels. Next week, if you see it trading above 79.8, you can buy there for 80.2 and 80.6 levels. If it trades above this zone, you can expect that there could be little bullishness, which might take it for 81 and then 82 levels. Beyond 82, you can again expect that 82.6, and if it breaks this, I will look forward to 83, 84.5 and 85 in the coming few trading sessions. Maybe this week or possibly by next week, it can try to attempt and achieve those levels. On the downside, you can sell here at 79.2, wait for 79 itself, rather I will say 78.9 itself. Below that you can expect 78.4 and 78. So see, it has to break past this zone here at 78 in order to confirm trading bearish for next few trading sessions, where you can expect 77.2, 76.5, and then below that, in fact 75 levels can be expected if it continues to trade on the downside. Remember, below 75, 74 is a very strong support and base. It should not break it in any case. If it trades below, that is a bearish sign for the next few months, where oil might trade till towards $60 levels, and hence you should remain cautious and alert here. Any breakout on the downside certainly will bring more bearishness. So take your trades accordingly till 78, stay alert. And on the upside till 81, there is going to be little resistance. Above 81, we can see a little bullishness in the coming few weeks also. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.